Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we've just had come in stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi Q3 S-Line with the 35 TFSI engine and the S-Tronic automatic gearbox. This particular model is finished in the stunning Ibis white solid paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. With the 1.5 litre petrol engine, you get 147 brake horsepower with 250 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 in around 9.1 seconds and onto a top speed of 129 miles per hour. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 19-inch 5 twin-spoke dynamic design alloy wheels finished in silver, offering lovely contrast to that white paintwork and working really nicely with the S-Line styling package. With the electrically operated tailgate open, you get 530 litres of boot space, perfect for your everyday essentials and weekend away luggage. With the rear seats folded down, you get 1,525 litres, perfect for those larger, bulkier items. The interior is finished in part leather and part cloth for maximum luxury and comfort, and with the centre armrest, dual cup holders and the rear air vents for passengers, the rear passengers' comfort is well and truly taken care of. Both outer seats are also fitted with ISOFIX points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the leather multifunction steering wheel with Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossed in at the top, and are manually adjustable, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit can be configured to your needs and wants using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice control, so it's mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for precious motorway and miles per gallon. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation. Underneath the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the Park Assist button which brings up the front and rear sensors and rear camera to make parking all the easier. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats also have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those cold winter mornings. If you like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.